Hi everyone, this was Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create a highlight on your Instagram. So if you have Instagram open and you want to create a highlight on your Instagram profile, then let me show you how to do this. So highlights is a collection of stories which you have posted, and you can basically group them into a single folder. So for example, here I've got Feb 2025, Jan 2025, August 2024. So these are all highlights, and basically I've grouped all the Feb stories 2025 in one of these. I've grouped all the Jan 2025 stories in one of these, and I've grouped all the August 2024 in all of these. So let me show you how to do this. So first you need to go ahead and open up your Play Store or your App Store, search for Instagram and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Now once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, you need to make sure you have a story. So for example, I've just posted this 2 minutes ago. So if I want to create a new highlight for this story, I'll go ahead and tap on highlight at the bottom. Now I can go ahead and choose where I want to keep this story. So since this is a March add your story, I want to go ahead and create a new highlight for this. So I'll go ahead and swipe left and tap on new. I'll go ahead and give it a name. March 2025. Tap add. And now that story has been added to my March highlight. So as you can see, there's a new story now, March 2025. If I tap on it, this will show me all the collections of March stories. Another way of adding a highlight to your Instagram profile is by going to your profile view, swiping all the way to the left until you see new. Here you can go ahead and select the story you want to add in that profile. So here you want to go ahead and select the story which you want to add to the new highlight, tap next. Now you want to go ahead and give it a name. Once you give it a name, it'll then basically appear in the highlight section. So now if I swipe left, I've got that new highlight there. So there you go guys, that's how to create a highlight on your Instagram profile on Instagram. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.